Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. Now in this video of today, I want to talk to you 3 reasons why you cannot be a millionaire in your 20s. I'm sorry, but I have to tell you 3 practical reasons why you cannot be a millionaire in your 20s. Number 1 is overthinking. Every day when you wake up, you'll be like, what am I going to do today? What will I do? Where should I start from? Now, you see people doing hairdressing, you want to do hairdressing. You're asking yourself, you should do it. You see people doing fashion designing, you're asking yourself. People are selling, you are asking yourself. People are going to school, like you are overthinking about what to do. Now, on the other hand, instead of overthinking, start doing. Like every day you come on Facebook, you are searching, what can I do to become a millionaire? On YouTube, what can I do to become a millionaire? It's overthinking. That is why you cannot become a millionaire in your 20s. So instead of overthinking, start doing. When you start doing, you see yourself becoming a millionaire. Okay? So overthinking is one reason why you cannot become a millionaire in your 20s. So instead of overthinking, start doing. Number 2 reason why you cannot become a millionaire in your 20s, I'm sorry, is zero plan of work. We don't have any plan of work. Every day you just wake up and say, I want to become a millionaire, or every day you're waiting to be employed. You cannot be a millionaire if you don't have a plan. Every day you have to have a plan for your life. Every week you need to have a plan. Every month have a plan. Every year have a plan. People be like, no, when you overplan, you overstress, you overthink about it. Yes! Have a plan. Have a plan of work. Like, what exactly do you want to be doing from this time to this time, from this time to this time? Have a savings plan. Have a daily routine. All these things will make you become a millionaire. So if you don't have any plan, you have zero plan, my dear, you cannot become a millionaire. You cannot become a millionaire. So if you want to become a millionaire in your 20s, have a plan of work. Have a saving plan. Have an investment plan. These are the things that will make you become a millionaire in your 20s. Like the video. Share if I'm talking sense. Number 3 reason why you can't become a millionaire in your 20s. I'm sorry, procrastination. Tomorrow I will start. After tomorrow, you say I will start. I will start in January. I will start in February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Every 31st December, you have a New Year resolution. This year, I have decided to pursue my dreams. Before you realize, the year has passed. Nothing has been done. Zero action. So, it's procrastination. And do you know how I consider procrastination? Laziness. Yes, the reason you cannot become a millionaire in your 20s is because of procrastination and laziness. So, instead of procrastinating and talking and overthinking about the big things, take action. And this is how you take action. Set small goals. Each day, try to crush one of those goals. Each week, try to crush one of those goals. Each month, try to crush one of those goals before you realize you are a millionaire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what is that one particular reason that is making a lot of young people, especially in Africa, not to become millionaires.